In the previous video, I have discussed about SHA, that is Secured Hashing Algorithm, which is a modified version of MD5. In case you have missed the previous video, do check it out. Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and this is Blockchain Tutorial Series. In today's video, I am going to cover different forms of SHA. So stay tuned till the end. Different forms of SHA. When learning about SHA forms, several different types of SHA are referenced. For example, SHA named use are SHA1, SHA2, SHA256, SHA512, SHA224 and SHA384. Actuality, there are only two types, SHA1 and SHA2. In other larger numbers like SHA256 are just versions of SHA2 that note the bit lengths of SHA2. SHA1 was the original secure hashing algorithm, returning a 160-bit hash digit after hashing. Someone may wonder, can SHA2 be cracked like SHA1? The answer is yes. Due to the short length of hash digit, SHA1 is more easily brute forced than SHA2, but SHA2 can still be brute forced. Another issue of SHA1 is that it can give the same hash digit to two different values, as the numbers of combinations the SHA1 can create with 160 bits is so small. SHA2 on the other hand gives every digit a unique value, which is why all certificates are registered and required to use SHA2. SHA2 can produce a variety of bit lengths from 256 to 512 bits, allowing it to assign completely unique value to every hash digit created. Collisions occur when two values have the same hash digit. SHA1 can easily create collisions, making it easier for attackers to get two matching digits and recreate the original plain text compared to SHA1. SHA2 is much more secure and has been required in all digit signatures and certificates since 2016. Common attacks like brute force attack can take years or even decades to crack the hash digit. So SHA2 is considered the most secure SHA algorithm. So I hope you have got some idea about it. Please put your queries in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.